Hey, it's me, your best buddy JK3. Guess where we're at today, you guys? We're at the Calder's Dairy Farm. We're gonna check out some farm animals. This should be awesome. Let's go. Check this out, you guys. Look at all these steers and cows. Look at them. Look at them all. They're so cool. You can get so close too. Look at that. Looks like a daddy and his little baby. So neat. Oops, going to the bathroom. Sorry about that. Excuse me. There's a bunch of them here. There's got to be like maybe 30 or 40. Oh, look at these guys. These are chowing down. You can get pretty close too. Yeah, I don't want to get too close. Those horns are so awesome. Look at them. You guys getting some good lunch, huh? It's good stuff. Steers and cows, all different colors. Black, brown, brown and white. There's a little gray one right there too. It looks like he got poked with one of the steers a little bit in the side. Yeah, these guys need to play nice, especially the ones with the horns. Those horns are really dangerous. In fact, I'm kind of cuckoo crazy to be so close to them right now. I mean, I could literally reach over and touch them. All right, I'll let you eat your lunch. Here's a bunch of really cool little ponies. Yeah, they're eating lunch too. So neat. I could get right up near him. See if I can pet him. No, maybe he's a little bit shy. I don't blame him. There's a bunch of really cool sheep right here too. Come here, Mr. Sheepy Sheep. They're eating. Come here. Yeah, they're not too interested in me. There's probably like 8 or 9 here. Look at this sheep here. He looks like he snuck out. Everybody's over there on the other side of the fence. He's kind of out here by the parking lot. I wonder how he got out here. Look at him, he's just all by himself. I don't want to scare him too much because there's cars out here. Probably not the best place for you to be, my friend. Probably not the best place. Alright, take care of yourself. There's a few horses right here. There's that one back there. And then there's a couple more right up here right next to me. Look at him. He's getting something to eat. Here's another one right here too. Look at him, he's right here. Yeah, it's a good horse. You get some food, okay? You get some food. This place is so cool. There's like animals just walking all over the place. Look at him, he's talking. So neat. Check out these roosters. They're really super cool. And they're loud too. Can you hear them, you guys? Come on, give me a cat. Cat-a-loo. There goes some geese too. There's literally geese walking everywhere in this place. Oh, this is like a play area for kids. Tractor sunk in the ground there. Looks like people are allowed to climb on this stuff. The milk train. There's a bunch of ducks down here too. But look at all these guys. So cool. There's the Calder's dairy cow. Her name's Dolly. And then there's a bunch more geese over here. Like a lot of them. Just gotta move slow. They won't fly away or nothing. There's some really cool farm equipment here too. But they don't want people to climb on it. I can't blame them. Here's some peacocks. Look at the cool colors on this guy. Come on, show us all your colors. Don't run away. Look at this contraption. You can put like food on the conveyor belt and then send it right up there to those guys. Maybe I'll have to find them some food. Look at all these guys. Oh, so awesome. Here's a cool place for a photo pic. Yeah. That goat thinks he's a sheep. Yeah. That goat thinks he's a pig. Yeah. Are you a sheep? Are you a pig? Look at them. They're so awesome. I'm gonna have to probably get you guys some food, huh? And these guys are up there chilling out in their apartment. Yeah. It's pretty cool. There's a bunch of them. First floor, second floor, and then there's where the food gets dropped off. So neat. And they stick their head right through the fence. I hope they don't get stuck, man. Especially with those horns. Good luck, buddy. Let's check out what's in this barn. All kinds of stuff. It's definitely a barn. There's some donkeys over here. A bunch of them. Just to give you guys an idea of what I'm walking on. It's all like hay. It's really super uneven too. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be in here. Yeah, I think it's okay. Look at these pigs. Hey. They're like right here. They're so cool. Just chowing down too. Everybody's eating. It's lunchtime. Holy muddiness. Do I have to walk through this? Oh man. Hope we don't sink in here, you guys. Look at this. There's like animals everywhere. There's this little pig. He's just sitting out front here. I wonder if I could touch him. Yeah, he's okay. He's okay with that. That's so cool. I'm getting all muddy. I feel like I'm turning into a pig. Then there's these guys. These guys are just crashing out in here. Your day's just started. It's not even 1 o'clock in the afternoon yet. Look at all these dairy cows. Yeah, they make milk and butter and ice cream and all that good stuff. There's a bunch of them. Look at them. Oh man. Hey you guys. They're so awesome. There's a ton of them. That's gonna be a wrap here from Calder's. Hope you guys had a good time. I love all those farm animals. If you like this kind of content, please take a minute and subscribe. Share with a friend. Give me a like. I appreciate you guys. And I like making videos for you. Have a great day.